Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to talk about the using of formula. Okay, see here, we know now that electric potential can be derived by chemicals, and a chemical has one reduction and another one oxidation. Is known as cathode and oxidation known as anode. Okay, so here after in previous topic we have derived the formula of the Nernst. Nernst equation was there. Now how to use the Nernst equation, that we are going to study. Okay, you know now that okay, what is the Nernst equation. Here is the Nernst equation. This final point is called as the Nernst equation. See, this is the Nernst equation. So Nernst equation consists of E cell, ED degree cell, log of anode by cathode and N. That is your previous knowledge. Okay. So now we are going to see how this Nernst equation can be used. So step number one. In Nernst equation, we have E degree cell. So first we have to find out the E degree cell. And how will you find the E degree cell? E degree cell is determined by only simple formula. E degree cell is equals to E degree cathode minus E degree anode. Okay. So very simple formula is that K degree cathode minus E degree anode, and that how will you do this? So for example, here find the value of standard electric potential of Zn plus Cu plus 2 plus Z, that gives Zn plus 2 plus Cu if the standard electric potential of copper is 0.24 volt and zinc is 0.76. See here we are using that formula. E degree cell is equals to E degree of cathode minus anode. Okay, now you know what is cathode there? Copper. What is anode there? Yes, zinc. By simple putting the value of cathode and value of anode, that is given here only, that is the value are given. See here, the value are given, and using this value only we are finding the answer, that is 1.1. So hope that this will be very easy first step. So to use the first you have to do the E degree cell is equals to E degree cathode minus E degree. Now write the Nernst formula for given equation. That now there we have written anode and cathode. Okay, so here now in second step we have to find out what is given. See, in this case just illustration is given. In this illustration you are given the reaction. We have seen also that only reaction. Here zinc, copper are combination, and in this combination zinc is behaving as anode, copper is behaving as cathode. So in our Nernst equation, see this is the Nernst equation. E degree cell minus 0.0592 by n log anode by cathode. So in place of anode by cathode we are using anode is zinc, that's why we have taken ion format of zinc. Okay, and cathode is copper, so that's why we have taken ion formation of cathode. Okay, so simple. Okay, so hope that you understand how to use the given equation in Nernst formula. Okay, so for you see this is the equation you are given. Okay, so now you can find out okay what will be the usefulness. Okay, so dear students, here if we apply the Nernst equation, then it is very simple. That see here we have first written Nernst equation in form of anode by cathode. Anode is here zinc and cathode is here copper. Again anode is again zinc and cathode is copper. But what is the value of copper is given? That you can check. See, value of copper is given X. Are you seeing this? And value of value of zinc is given X and value of copper is given Y. So here we have written XY. So simple, whatever the value are given, that you have to put. And that is ours, how to use formula. So hope that in this video you are able to understand how to use the Nernst equation for the calculation. Okay, so now we are going further check out about the Nernst equation only. So here we are doing the analysis of Nernst equation. Okay, see, now you are aware with the Nernst equation. Nernst equation is nothing but the E cell is equals to E degree cell minus 0.0592 divided by n log anode by cathode. Now you admire here how this value of 0.0592 come. ડાયરેક્ટ ગજવામાંથી મૂકી દીધી આપણે કે કોઈ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કર્યું હશે. સો ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, નાઉ વી આર ગોઈંગ ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધેટ કે આ વેલ્યુ ક્યાંથી આવી છે. ઓકે, સો હાઉ ધ વેલ્યુ ઓફ 0.0592, rather here some writing problem is there, so you can add that કે here 0.0592 come, it should become. So now in 11th standard we studied in thermodynamics that delta G degree is equals to minus NF E degree cell. That is our study in 11th standard. Also you know about delta G is equals to delta G degree minus RT ln K. That was also our previous knowledge. In previous video we have talked about this. Also we have developed this relation that E cell is equals to E degree cell minus 2.303 RT NF log K. Now 2.303 ક્યાંથી આવી ગયા? આ 2.303 આવ્યા કે જેને આપણે ln, જે આપણા પાસે આ ln હતું એ ln ને રિમૂવ કર્યું. ln એટલે નેચરલ લોગેરિધમ એન્ડ આપણે ત્યાં લીધું તો શું લીધું છે અહીંયા? સાદું લોગ. તો જ્યારે નેચરલ લોગેરિધમને દૂર કરવાનું હોય અને સાદું લોગ લેવાનું હોય તો we have to put 2.303. Okay, so 2.3030, that is the 2.303 only is taken, and RT by NF. So we will take only this portion of the equation. આખા equation નો આપણે કયો portion લઈશું? આ નાનો અમસ્તો portion લઈ છી. શું થાય છે એ જોઈએ અને on that base of the we will calculate. Okay. We are taking that value. Okay, so what is the value? Here see, check out this simple logical program we are going to take. આટલી જ વસ્તુ લીધી છે. જો વેલ્યુ મૂકી છે જરાક ધ્યાનથી જરાક જોજો. 2.2303, R ની વેલ્યુ 8.314, ટેમ્પરેચર રૂમ ટેમ્પરેચર 298 અને as you know ફેરાડે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ 9650. ઓકે, આ બધી વેલ્યુ મૂકતા ટોટલ ફાઇનલ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કેટલું થાય છે? 0.0592 કરી જો તમે. ઓકે, સો that is our taken out. Okay, so hope that you understand the analysis of Nernst equation. This is the first part of we have analysis. Now we are moving on the another. In Nernst equation there is n. So what is n? So n is nothing but the number of electron transfer થાય છે તે. હવે એ આપણે અહીંયા જોયું. ચલો, in case of Daniell cell Zn+2 અને Cu+2 આવે છે તો અહીંયા ટોટલ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન કેટલા છે? તો ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ ટોટલ એટલે કે ખાલી ઝિંકના 2 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન કોપર બાજુ જાય છે. કેટલા જાય છે? 2 જ જાય છે. That's why here we have to take how many electrons? 2 electrons only we have to take. That is the very simple idea. Hope so. In another case of silver, Ag plus and H plus, the transfer of electron are 1 કારણ કે સિલ્વરના 1 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હાઇડ્રોજન પાસે જશે. Okay, so that now in this case you can find out 2 and 3, so total 2 3s are